Yeah, Captain. Yeah, today you are came here for submitting the memorandum to the CM. So, what is your demand and how you look this entire COVID?
This is a long standing demand from this industry. 7th मेयाचेर DG shippinga there was a circular on the 7th of May, as well as there is a circular coming out on 15th of May, and this is regarding seafarers getting the priority for vaccination, and this vaccination has not been done. In MPT they were supposed to give vaccines for seafarers. There is a procedure that is laid down, so this procedure has not been followed, and the Goa government is not at all taking any interest. So our demand is, by today evening, the CM of Goa must come out very clear whether he is going to put Goan seafarers as frontline workers on the Goa workers list. If yes, he has to tell us today, and he has to tell us what is his plan to vaccinate all the seafarers who are waiting to join the vessel, and all the seafarers who have already taken the first dose and waiting for the second dose. So this has to come out clearly today. We have not been given to submit this here. We are going to the secretariat and we will submit this over there.
How many workers, seafarers are till date they are not got a job?
See, I will not have that actual figure, but definitely there is good 15 to 20,000 boys waiting to go on the ship. No. They may not have a call at this point of time, but yes, there is a good number of boys who have already got a call, a good number of seafarers who have already done the first dose, waiting for the second dose. So this clarity has to come, because they have to go on board, and if they don't go on board, another nationality is going to replace all of us Indians, and that's not good. That's not good for the country. That's not good for the entire community itself. Not good for the economy also. So this has to be considered, and we have to take action immediately.
Till date, I think that in Goa there is not 100% had not public have taken the vaccine. So how you will take this reaction, the shortage of vaccine in
Goa? Yeah, see, there is something called as key workers. When we say key workers, health workers are called as key workers. So in this key workers is also called as frontline workers, because key workers is used by the transport ministry and frontline workers is used by the health ministry. So these two terminology, but they both mean same, which means people who do essential services. They have to be priority, they have to get the vaccine. Means all doctors should get vaccine. Even if there is a shortage, doctors should get vaccine first. Same way all other frontline workers. So we seafarers, even if there is a shortage, first vaccine should go for us along with the other community of frontline workers. This is what it is, and we have been neglected. And our demand is, don't neglect us, because we are doing the same job, only that we are not being seen. So we are not being seen. So that is the reason they just forget about us. So out of sight is out of mind is out of sight. It's like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So I am Captain Alban De Silva. I am the President of Maritime Union of India, and we have come here to submit a memorandum to the CM of Goa for getting prioritizing seafarers to get the vaccines. As you are all aware, seafarers are declared as key workers by the Government of India on a circular dated in December. So we are key workers, and now if we are not getting vaccine, we are not even getting jobs. All over the world, seafarers are acknowledged except here. Now we are losing jobs to Chinese, we are losing jobs to Europeans.
Continue.
Yeah, we are losing jobs because of the vaccination. No ship owners are ready to accept crew without getting vaccinated. So we are come here to request the CM of Goa to give us the vaccine on priority basis, as everybody is aware that seafarers are here down for a long time since this pandemic broke, especially the cruise liners. So if they have to go back, they need to get a vaccine. The first vaccine, after they get, they have to wait for the second dose, which is 3 months. So it's going to take a lot of time. So if they start giving us on priority basis, then it will help us.
Which state had been given priority for
Kerala government has already started giving seafarers on priority basis. It's been included in their frontline workers.
And why Goa government is not doing?
Yes, that is why we are here to request the Goa government to acknowledge us. I don't know why they are neglecting us. Maybe as they say, out of sight, out of mind. But because of us seafarers, the commodities are being supplied throughout the world. Okay. We are still running. The ships have not stopped sailing. The goods are still being transported by ships. So for the ships to sail, the people have to join. Now, if no Indians, there will be some other people who are ready to take over. That's already been happening now. Since after this second wave, Indian seafarers are no longer preferred anywhere in the world.
So this is your demand.
Demand is to start vaccinating seafarers on priority basis. Once we are vaccinated, yes, then the owners are agreeing. Otherwise, they are not agreeing for employing Indian seafarers at all.
Thank you.
Thank you.